I welcome and I request President Pallavi to welcome everyone.
नमस्कार, धन्यवाद रोटेरियन कीर्ती वडाळकर. खूपच छान कविता वाचन आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे खूप छान वाचन करतात लिहितात पण. मी रोटेरियन पल्लवी मंदार सवे, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ डोंबिवली सौदामिनीच्या करंट इयरच्या प्रेसिडेंटच्या वतीने तुमचं सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करते. फर्स्ट लेडी अंजली वारके, GSR पूजन भंडारीजी, असिस्टंट गव्हर्नर अजिंक्य आंबेडकर आणि आमचे 2 जजेस अंजली देशमुख मॅडम आणि तृप्ती मॅडम, मी या सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करते. तसंच सगळं सौदामिनी आणि इतर सगळ्यांचं तुमचं इथे स्वागत करते आहे. सल्यूट हा शब्द जेव्हा आम्हाला विचारात आला तेव्हा मला कळत नव्हतं की काय बोलावं आपण. आणि कोइन्सिडन्स असा झाला की एक व्हिडिओ क्लिप आली पद्मश्री अवॉर्ड विनर स्वामी शिवानंदांची, आणि मला असं वाटलं मी त्याच्यावर थोडंसं बोलते. त्यांना जेव्हा अवॉर्ड द्यायला बोलावलं गेलं तेव्हा ते प्रत्येक जंक्शनला वाकले आणि त्यांनी प्रत्येक गोष्ट सॅल्यूट केला. PM नरेंद्र मोदींना केला, मग नंतर तिथे ते रॅम्प वॉक चालणार होते त्या रेड कार्पेटला त्यांनी नतमस्तक झाले. आपल्या प्रेसिडेंट त्या समोर ते नतमस्तक झाले. आणि ते बघून मला असं वाटलं की 126 वर्षांचा माणूस जर का एवढा नतमस्तक होऊ शकतो तर मी आज नक्कीच तुमच्या समोर नतमस्तक होऊ शकते आणि तुमचं स्वागत करू शकते. मी सगळ्या पार्टिसिपंट्सना शुभेच्छा देते आणि मला एन्जॉय करायला सांगते. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Pallavi. As I said, Saudaminis are unstoppable. We are into good work, constantly doing good work. But I tell you, only work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So we don't want to be dull. We want to be live and we want to be with the time. Because you know, time and tide waits for no one. I request Pallavi and Supriya, our secretary, to welcome the guests with a small token of love. We have District First Lady Anjali Warke. Second Judge Anjali Deshmukh. And third Judge Trupti. Assistant Governor Ajinkya. And as I said, Saudaminis also want to be full of gratitude. We are grateful to the father of the club, GSR, none other than Pujan Bhandari. We are very fortunate to have him as our GSR. 9 years ago when we were chartered, he was given to our club as the father of the club, and he has risen to that name of his. He has been helpful to the club every year, and every now and then he keeps on checking with the club's progress. Thank you, sir. And we would like to know more about the judges. So I request IPP Rotarian Radhika to introduce Anjali Warke first.
Thank you, Kirti. Good evening. It's a great honor and privilege to introduce our First Lady, Mrs. Anjali Warke. She is a postgraduate in organic chemistry. She is an immediate past president of the Innovate Club of Amarnath Hills. She is happily married to our DG, Dr. Mayuresh Warke, and helps in the administration of the hospital, Shri Dattatreya. The couple is blessed with two daughters, Aishwarya and Priyanka. She loves cooking and she has taken up the hobby of gardening during lockdown. Welcome, ma'am, on behalf of Sauda Minis. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali, for joining us today. She's a good friend and she's always with the club. Welcome to the club. May I request past President Manjusha to introduce Anjali Deshpande.
Good evening. It was my pleasure to introduce our judge, Mrs. Anjali Deshmukh. Owner of Maharadni Creation, Thane Ethnic Apparel, film the finalist is the tagline. Maharatni Creation means Queen of Queens. Journey of Maharatni Creation began in 2013 with an exhibition during Durga Puja celebrations. Since then, participated in exhibitions at Pune, Thane, Mumbai, and Kolkata. A lawyer by qualification but passionate about Indian weaves, she started the business of ethnic sarees from 9 years. Her, her in-laws are from Banaras, which complements her love for sarees, and hence she has a collection of gorgeous sarees. Her mother had a varied, beautiful collection of sari and she used to carry herself gracefully and the same has been passed on the next generation. She is a BNI member for 5 years. Her business is spread across the globe. Customized service is her USP. Maharatni Creation always gives finest collection of handloom sarees. She deals in all types of handlooms like Banarasi, Kanchipuram, Chanderi, Maheshwari, and Maharashtra Shan Painting. She is a spiritual follower for 15 years, following Sahaj Yoga, a form of meditation, and Kundalini awakening. Maharatni Creation has reached USA, UK, Dubai, Australia, South Africa. She showcased her collection at Dubai, Maharashtra, London. That was well appreciated. All these years, connecting with so many beautiful women has been a great experience and learning. Women are super passionate of 6 yard all over the world. They have amazing awareness about others, fashion, dressing sense, presentation skills, makeup, and film. Most of her clients are her friends now. She has a very sweet family. Her husband, Mr. Rakesh Deshmukh, and mother-in-law. Her husband is a solar consultant and is into funding, financing for projects, business expansion, and food towns. Welcome to Mrs. Anjali Deshmukh. Thank you.
That sounds really interesting, Anjali. We all are interested in seeing your collection definitely. Also welcome our third judge, Trupti. I request Archana to introduce.
Thank you, Kirti madam. Good evening, everyone. Today I introduce a very esteemed personality, Trupti ma'am. She is running Infinity Salon and Education. She is having a 15 years of experience in hair, makeup, and beauty. She is CEDISCO certified and esthetician too. She is professional trainer and she has trained more than 1,000 plus students in last 5 to 6 years. Welcome Trupti ma'am from RCD Saudamini.
Friends, let me tell you very honestly, when we all are enjoying this colorful evening, these three ladies are going to find it very difficult. So All the best, ladies. And let's have a very big round of applause for our judges that they have accepted this tough job. Today, we have also decided upon a theme which you must have seen all over. While we are expecting the participants to speak about gratitude, we have given a theme for dressing, which is Northeast. You know, the major states in Northeast, we have 8 different states. We have Arunachal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, and Sikkim. All these states have a very colorful dressing. Their attires are really very, very colorful, and all of them, they believe in very prominent jewelry. Whenever we visit these places, you will find that the states are colorful, women are colorful, and wherever you see, it's all only color. They have their own special Vastra Parampara. While the Tripura people, they believe in wearing pasra with Renai and Risa. The Assamese, they wear Mikla Chador. They wear Pat saris, they wear Muga, and it's all in silk. Very, very beautiful. In Assam, near Guwahati, there is a village called Swalkuchi. The entire village is into silk weaving, and mind you, no one in the world can have such weaves as they have there. While Manipuris, they have their dresses called Fanik and Sarong. Arunachal ladies will be wearing kameez and will be topping it up with a yak fur cap. Mizoramis, they have their quans, and Meghalayas, these people, they also wear sarong, jensen, and everything in silk. Wow, so colorful and so nice. We must visit these places, and we must salute to these people who care for their culture and who care for their Vastra Parampara. We all do that. And let's begin with the permission of the judges. I think we should, right? So we all have been waiting for it, for the ramp walk to start. Backstage people are ready. Yes, I think they are ready and they are all eager to walk the ramp. So let's all walk. Let's all rock and let's all salute. Over to our enthusiastic choreographer Prerna. She's been so kind and so colorful, so helpful to all the participants. We had 2 grooming sessions, and today is the grand finale for all of them. So definitely we all are eager to see what Prerna has done, what seeds she has sown, and what we are going to see today. So let's rock. Yes. So I request Prerna to start the fashion show. I request President Pallavi to just express small gratitude to the choreographer too. And you have been really wonderful. People have enjoyed being with you. We have 3 different age groups, 18 to 35, 35 to 45, and 45 onwards. They all have been really waiting and they are all eager to walk the ramp. So, and I was really happy that even while Prerna was teaching them, they all were learning from her. So, definitely never stop learning because life never stops teaching. All the best, all participants, and let's start. We start with the first group, 18 to 35. The rounds are they will first walk the ramp, and one by one they will come, introduce themselves, and say whom they are dedicating their walk to.